Starting a YouTube channel today in 2025 can be a game changer for your branding and income. Imagine you being able to share your passion and your area of expertise with the world, and you being able to build a loyal community fan base for yourself and earning a steady income from your content. Wow, this is a dream shared by many, but achieved by few. However, I'm here to tell you that it is not as impossible as it may seem. If this is the video that you love to watch, please do not forget to subscribe, like, drop me a comment, and let me show you how you can start your own YouTube channel in 2025. Let's face it, one of the biggest fear that is holding people, a lot of people back for not starting a YouTube channel in this 2025 is the fear of judgment. Yes, what if people do not like my content? What if I receive a negative comment or get thrown away? The truth of the matter, here in YouTube street, there will always be haters, there will always be people that will not like your comment, but YouTube is big enough to accommodate everyone. There are seen a lot of people that will love your comment, that will love the way you present your own, appreciate your uniqueness or your perspective of your content. So please do not look what people will say. Do not look what will I be thrown out, or how am I going to overcome these people. No, yes, just know that here on YouTube, you do not hold anybody anything. Your main aim here is to what? To create a content, expose yourself to the world, let people know what you are good at. Make sure you do the thing needful. Yes, another challenges that people face in creating their YouTube channel is the technical aspect of creating content. Like, I do not have the right equipment. I do not know how to I do not know how to edit, and I can't stand in front of camera, or I'm shy in front of camera to speak. So let's start with the um, aspect of equipment. Yes, thank God for the rising of smartphone. You do not need a digital camera to start creating content. You do not need the best of the mic. You do not need the best of phones, iPhones, or any other gadget before you can start your YouTube channel. With your smartphone, yes, once you have a smartphone, you can start creating content with that. When as the time goes, you nobody will tell you when the money start coming in, you can improve on your what equipment. For now, start filming with your phone. Me, I start creating content with my own phone, and I'm still using my phone to create content. Yes, you are a warrior of the tripod stand and a microphone. This video that I'm creating now, I'm not using any mic. I have mic, but I think my phone camera and my phone mic, the mic that came with my phone, is okay for me. So I don't need to go and buy anyone. So don't let that one be excuse for you not to create content in this 2025, or not to start your YouTube channel in this 2025. Start with what you have. Then in the area of editing, there are a lot of editing software that you can use. It's not compulsory that you have to. We have CapCut, we have InShot, we have there's a lot of editing software you can use. Yes, for the editing, go to YouTube. You will see some video how to use CapCut, how to use InShot. Learn, just take your time, learn one or two editing skill. It's not compulsory that you need to learn everything or be perfect in editing before you can start. That one is easy to go to YouTube, type CapCut. You will see a lot of tutorial concerning CapCut. You can learn it from there and apply it to your own video. Yes. Then the third one is this camera shy, or you can't speak in front of camera. There's nothing there. The more you create content, the more perfect you become. So don't be scared of camera. There's nothing there. Nobody will come and slap you in your ass. You are in your house, so you don't expect anybody to come and throw you and say that you don't know how to do this. Don't no. But that does not mean you should start creating content that will not be meaningful or will not impact to the society. You understand? When you speak, know that information you are giving out is correct information and a correct source. So there's nothing there. The more you create content, the more perfect you become in front of camera and in public speaking. Yes, in addition, another thing that can stop you for not creating your YouTube channel in this 25 is time and effort. Yes, To create high quality content, it requires your time and your effort, like writing of the scripts, creating of the video, editing, putting the video in a good shape before you post it. Yeah, it's not just about uploading. You must create a quality content, a high quality content that people will be able to watch. Remember, you are optimizing for people, not robots. So, or you will make sure that writing of your script, filming, editing, and all that stuff you need to have time. It's a time consuming stuff. This is the most difficult area of content creating. By what? Filming, writing of your script, and editing. So I will always tell you what, make sure you make time for your content. Make sure you create a high quality content. Lastly, people are afraid of taking the first step. However, they get stuck with analysis and paralysis. They will, they will get the equipment, make a research on the content they want to create, get everything, script everything down. But to take the first step to create the content is the issue. So I will advise you. I know at times it's like that, but you just have to force yourself. Give it a try. Whenever you make up your mind to start up your YouTube channel, make sure not to stop you, not to achieve your goal. Just go straight to the point. Pick up your smartphone, set everything that is settable, then and start creating content. Yes, the first video or any content we create, some of them will look somehow. It will not all will not be perfect, but the more content you create, the more the more idea and effort you'll be putting inside it. So don't let anything to stop you not to create your YouTube channel in this 2025. I believe this little advice that I'm giving you, put all into practice and see how it will go. So what do you need to do to start your YouTube channel in this 2025? First of all, pick a niche that have a decent viewer, then create high quality content, create a content that will solve problem to your audience. Yes, if you want to, do not worry about the view, do not worry about when you comment and like. Just make sure you are creating a content that have a solution for your audience. You understand? You know, for you to make money here on YouTube, you must be a solution provider. People came to YouTube to find a solution. So if you are one of the solution provider for them here on YouTube, there's no way people will not watch your video. There's no way you will not get view and like. Make sure that your content is high quality content. Do not worry about much about the view. Then the equipment, get your phone. Don't worry much. The more content you create, the more viewer you get. Do not worry about the equipment. When time comes, you will upgrade your equipment. Just start with what you have. So as you can see, starting up your YouTube channel today, it is not as impossible as it makes sense. Yes, all you need is what? You need determination, you need courage, and you need enlightenment. You need what? The strength to learn from other content creators. So when all these are available, it is not impossible for you not to achieve what you want here on YouTube. And there are a lot of benefits in creating a YouTube channel. There's a lot of benefits here on YouTube. You know, it's not like it's a brand. You are branding yourself. You know, when you are branding yourself, oneness, the money will start coming in. So don't worry much. The money will come later. Just focus on doing the right thing here on YouTube. Other one will be story. Thank you so much for watching my video. I would love to hear from you from the comment below. What is your channel idea and what is stopping you from starting your YouTube channel? Let me know so that we'll discuss all of them. And do not forget to watch other videos for more tips on content creating. See you in my next video.